Mixonites, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about storage. We have it in our trunks, we have it in our funks, we have it in our center consoles, we have it on our doors. We're talking about the car here. By the way, this video is sponsored by Tesstudio, so make sure you check out their sites. They have a lot of things to offer, including storage for things that you may not know that you need yet. Especially if you have things like this, and you have things like that, and you have things like this. It all adds up, and we've run out of places to put extra stuff like the wires, the harnesses, all that good stuff. But there is a solution, because when things get a little bit too thick for the original OEM parts, then was that redundant? I think that was redundant. That was redundant. I don't know what OEM stands for, but I know the O stands for original. That's besides the point. Check out the back of my center console. It has a ton of wires, and this piece right here, it's not going to fit. No matter how hard I try to push it, no matter how hard I try to compact it, it's just not enough space for this piece to go in with all the extra things I have. So Tesstudios came up with the next best thing, an expansion pack for the center console in the back, right? Because I have a whole bunch of things hooked into this, and it's pretty easy to utilize because one, the original is not going to fit, especially if you have aftermarket parts in there like I do. The setup is pretty easy. All you have to do is literally take out the old one, put in the new one, and you have enough space to expand on even more cool gadgets for your car. It's made with an ABS material, so you know it's going to be tough. It's going to last forever because you pretty much don't touch it. It can be kicked, whatever the case may be, and it will sit there just fine, protecting all your gear, covering up all the harnesses and wires that you don't want to see. So Mixonites, if you're struggling with storage, you will struggle no more. Make sure you check out Tesstudios. I have all the links in the description. My code is Mixonite. Make sure you utilize that at your next purchase. Other than that, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me a line. Check out the site, subscribe to the channel, turn on the push notifications, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.